If I could travel back in time and could give the 8-year-old me just one piece of advice, then it would be this system. It's not motivation, it's not willpower, it's just a system. And once you understand it, you can rewire how you perform, act, and improve daily. And I wish I had this 5 years earlier. So, without any further ado, let's dive in.
This is the framework, and it is called the identity feedback loop. And once you get it, you can reprogram how you act and live daily. So it has three sections, the first being identity, then environment, and lastly actions. So let's zoom into the environment section first. So when it comes to environment, it plays a big role in shaping you. When it comes to your goals, achieving your dreams, achieving our desires, environment plays a huge role. If you're not in a good environment, if you think that the environment that you're living in is not suitable to you and you're not fit for the environment, maybe you feel sad, you feel depressed, and you're not suitable for the environment, then that environment will distract you from growing. It will prevent you from growing to your true potential. So this is what I call an hostile environment. I'll give you one more example of a hostile environment. So suppose you want to be more productive. So you open YouTube and watch productive videos. Now your desk is still messy and your phone is right next to you, constantly ringing. Notifications are constantly popping up. Now your mind will want to touch that phone to review your notifications. Maybe you'll want to scroll for 10, 20 minutes, but that 10, 20 minutes will turn into 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and maybe even more. So, this is what I call a hostile environment. In this environment, you cannot grow. Whatever you do, you cannot grow because it is in a hostile environment. And that's why environment plays a big role. So, you can try an example right now. Just get your phone right next to you and try to do a work focusedly for 1 hour or 2 hours. I guarantee you, at the first time, you cannot. And if you can, very well, you have learned how to manage your environment. But most of the time, you cannot because that is a hostile environment and you need to change that environment. So, what you can do is you can put your phone into another room so you get no distractions. So, this was the environment section. Now comes the identity section. So, right here, most people make one mistake, just one mistake. The one who actually want to improve, the one who want to improve, not actually, the one who want to improve, what they do is they forge an identity that is fake. They make an identity that is fake. So they make an identity that they are productive. So they are a productive person. So they think every day that I am a productive person. But the thing they're lacking is actions. They do not do anything that needs to be done to be the productive person. They do not do. So they do not take actions. So this is why they won't get any results. When you have your identity, when you think that I'm a productive person, it is good, but you also need to have that actions together. You need to put on that work and then fix your identity. Actually, when you put on that work, you don't even need to forge an identity because your brain will automatically forge an identity. So you need to keep doing actions. You need to take actions. What your brain does is it seeks for proof, it seeks for evidence. So when you keep doing a work, for example, you keep running every day. So your brain gets evidence that this guy runs every day. So he is a runner and he puts that identity and forces it automatically. So you don't need to tell yourself that I'm a runner because you already know that you're a runner because you're running every single day. And the thing is, if you work for 2 to 5 minutes, and if you keep saying to yourself, if you make an identity that I work for 1 to 2 hours and I still don't get what I want, I'm still not getting what I want. It's because your brain knows that you did not put that work for 1 hour, 2 hours. Cause your brain knows that you did not put that work, cause it's you and you. Deep down, if you even lie, deep down you know your truth, what you actually did. You cannot hide anything to yourself. You have that in your brain. What do you keep lying about? You also know the truth about it. So you know both of those. So if you keep lying, you'll never improve. So just do the action for 1 hour, 2 hours, then keep saying that I did 1 or 2 hours deep work, but I'm not still getting the result. And this is where patience kicks in. Because when you keep putting the work, you need patience. Patience is the only thing that you need to possess after you start doing the work. Because success doesn't come overnight, it takes time. And for that time, first you need to take actions and then you need to have patience. Eventually, guaranteed you will get the result. It's guaranteed that you'll get the result. So, these were the three things: the environment, identity, and actions. So, in conclusion, the first you need to fix your environment. You need to see that what's distracting you, what's preventing you to put that work. Then identity and actions, they're related together, so they're more related. So you need to take actions, and that action will automatically force the identity. So this was the framework. But now the question comes, how will I apply this framework? So for this, I have some steps to do it. I have some things that I can share with you that you can use and you can implement every day to start doing these. So first thing is, you need to make a simple weekly planner. Just a simple weekly planner. What do you do every week? What do you do every day? Just a planner. So, what you're gonna do here is you need to build a strategy, right? So, you need to create a weekly ritual that is this planner and focus on 1 to 2 keystone habits. And if you don't know what focus is, focus means follow one course until success. So you need to have focus. Now, this is a simple routine. You can just make this routine in some app, notes app. You can just make this routine maybe in your paper or anywhere you want. There are no lack of spaces. You can make it anywhere you want. But the real question is, will you even make it? Yes, you need to do. That's why you're in this video. If you're in this video, you need to do it. Man, you need to improve. So you need to understand how to improve. So you need to take that action, right? So when you keep doing tasks, when you keep building habits with a simple weekly planner, you also need to have a goal. See, you may have dreams, you may have big dreams that you can't even imagine about. Maybe it can be. So for that dreams, you need to set goals. You need to set goals that you'll accomplish one by one, and that will eventually bring you to your dream life. So that's where the 3 month identity goal comes in. So the 3 months goal is simple. Identity goal is simple. What you do is you grab a paper or maybe in the notes app you write my 3 month identity goal is, for example, I'm someone who never misses working out. So you're gonna write like you are already the person that you wanna be after 3 years. So you're writing that 3 month identity goal. I'm someone who never misses working out. Don't write like I will be someone who never miss working out. No, write like that. I'm someone who never misses working out. I am someone who never misses working out. So this is your 3 month identity goal. Your goal is, in simple words, you need to reach that identity in 3 months. That I'm someone who never misses working out. And for that, to reach that identity, you need some goals to accomplish it. So you can make those goals, just prompt AI and it will make for you. So just write that do 10 push-ups every day and keep improving, like 20 push-ups, 30 push-ups, etc., and do whatever to accomplish your identity goal. You need to accomplish this identity. And also remember, don't keep your goals very big at the first time. Don't keep your goals very big at first, because if you keep your goal very high and very hard, then you'll eventually lose focus from it. You'll eventually deviate from it. You'll eventually not want to accomplish that goal because that goal is very hard and it also takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. 1 year goals, 10-year goals takes a lot of time. Start with something ridiculously small, that losing is not an option. Losing is just not an option. Start with something so easy that losing is not an option. It's not in the option. Winning is the only option. Keep going is the only option. So that's what you need to do. And here I just created a 3 month identity goal. So just do that and keep accomplishing your goals, and it will boost you. And after 3 months, you will get this identity. So imagine writing some identity that is very rare to you. And if even if you accomplish it in not in 3 months, even if you accomplish it in 6 months or a year, you accomplished it. But if you never applied this, you would never accomplish it. Whatever time it takes, you accomplished it. So that's the big achievement for you. So this is the 3 month identity goal. This is effective because it's just 90 days. It's very small. It's not that small, but it is small in terms of 1 year and 10 years. So you can try to do this. You can try to apply this in your life. So just go ahead, go in your notes app, or just write in your paper that my 3 month identity goal is I'm someone who never misses a workout, or something that you actually want. So this is where these two comes in. And the last thing is this: mindset to system to outcome. So this is very important to understand. See, losers rely on motivation. Winners don't rely on motivation. Winners don't rely on motivation. See, if you always rely on motivation, if you keep thinking that when a deep motivation hits me in my heart, then I'll start putting on the work. The thing is, that motivation would never come. Even if it will come, even if it came, it will not last long. It will not last long. It will last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month, or maybe 2 months, but then it just fades away. I've experienced this myself. When I started improving myself, I relied on motivation. I did not put any work without motivation. What I did was relying on motivation, and that slowly faded away, could not do anything. I was hopeless. That's where my system came. So here, mindset is actually means the mindset to change, the mindset that you want to improve. You need to have that initial mindset that I want to improve. Then only you can start self improving. Then comes the system. As I said, motivation fades away, but systems stay. So you just follow the system that I talked about today, and it will guaranteed work. But if you only follow it, if you keep doing the work, it won't work until you keep faking your identity that I know the system and I know how to improve, but you never put your work. You need to put on the work, and that's how success is guaranteed. Then comes outcome. So the outcome is basically what it is, an outcome. So outcome, your success, achieving goals, that's it. So this was the strategy that and helped me at the age of 13. So this was the strategy that changed me at the age of 13, and apply it right now. And wait, bro. don't just click to another video. If you're still here, then congratulations, man. Got loads of value. See, I have started my YouTube channel, so I'm working my best as a student. I'm still a student in school. I go to school every day. So I keep doing my best to provide you guys with values. So if you're still here, then congratulations and I will guarantee you success. But please, bro, follow this. Please follow this. I want you to improve. I'm telling you for your good. And when you look at yourself in the mirror, when you actually keep improving, then you feel something entirely different from what you're today. So if you're here, don't just click to another video, don't just scroll away, just go to your notes app or go grab a paper and write what you're gonna achieve. Write your 3 month identity goal and also share it in the comments. Drop it down in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one. So if you're still here, then best of luck for your self-improvement journey and like this video and I really appreciate it and subscribe for more self-improvement content. I'll try my best to provide you with values. So with this, goodbye and see you later.